You will see some older videos if you start watching a lot of these. They like to clean from the bottom up. Now the recommendation is clean from the top down. It had something to do with the staining of how they were using it because the chemicals, they started cleaning, and something about the staining as they got higher, the stain to clean stuff on the bottom. So it just makes more sense the recommendation is to work from the top down now. And it's basically, this is it. You put on your podcast or your music, or you listen to the birds, and you just start working. And you start it from big to small. And the fun thing is, you start getting soap in these, and then you can start reading some of these that are unreadable. And you start seeing, and some of these are so sad, because they got listing, they'll have all the kids, and the kids died one right after the other. You can almost tell a pandemic or a fever went through, and you're just reading it, you go, oh my God, this poor lady, kid after kid, or the mother had died. This is pretty tenuous. I'm going to work on that. Oh, I do also have kneeling pads. I went to Harbor Freight, and I got kneeling pads. So if you want to get down on your knees, I got 4 of those in the car.